What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Now, if you guys are running an ecom brand, you probably know that there's a lot when it comes to it. There's a lot of different tasks that you guys have to do, all the way from writing product descriptions to managing you guys' SEO to even creating that visual advertisement. And honestly, it could be really overwhelming. And don't worry, you guys are not alone. The good news is that there's a lot of tools out there that can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So today, I'm going to be breaking down top 2 e-commerce content creation platforms out there, Scalenut and Creatify. They're both really powerful. However, they're used for 2 completely different things. One of them is going to be used for more of SEO and keyword generation, and one of them is going to be more for visual ads. So in this video, we're going to dive into what both the platforms do, how they work, and see if it's going to be a good fit for you guys' business. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I am going to be sharing my screen here, so if you guys do want to follow along or even check out either the platforms, the links for both of them are going to be down below in the description. Now let's go ahead and start with Scalenut. Now this platform is going to be mostly used for SEO and anything when it comes to keywords. So think about all the product descriptions you guys are writing or anything that comes with you guys' website or SEO, Scalenut can go ahead and help you with that. And as you guys see right over here in the dashboard, there's going to be a lot of features that are baked into it. There's going to be the article writer, which is also known as the cruise mode, that kind of does all the writing for you using AI. There's going to be content optimizer, keyword planner, traffic analyzer, content audit, so on and so forth. The cool thing about it is that it doesn't only write stuff for you. Like ChatGPT can do the exact same thing. It's going to write things for you that are going to be SEO friendly because Scalenut has all the SEO information on the back end, so it knows exactly what keywords perform and which ones don't. And at the end of the day, we don't only want writing to be there just to have nice writing. We want this to convert and actually bring customers into the door. And you guys can probably tell by the features here, like content optimizer, so something that optimizes your content so it converts better, or even article writer. Let's go ahead and actually check it out. So with the content writer, you can literally plug in any type of keyword and it's going to write things for you. So for example, let's go ahead and type in electric bikes, United States, and we can do secondary keywords. I'm not going to do that. Let's go ahead and create it. And in the meanwhile, let's go ahead and check out one of the samples that Scalenut already made for us. So let's go ahead and go to keto diet right over here. And from here, we can see what makes Scalenut great. And it's the fact that it's able to package everything when it comes to written content under one roof. So here we have our SEO score. So right, could be better. So we have top score, average score, and our current one. And from here, we can actually see and write things live. And Scalenut also integrates with a lot of different platforms. So you can go ahead and host your guys' blog on here. But the point I'm trying to bring here is that in addition to writing, it has a lot of different tools when it comes to looking at key terms here, competitions, questions, different statistics. So if we're looking at terms like weight loss, how important it is, ketosis, right, and kind of see the usage of it and if we include it or not, we can all see here on the right hand side, and the system can go ahead and use AI to make sure that it's incorporated. And in addition to that, since you can go ahead and write all the different stuff here, you can always go to content optimizer to make sure that's optimized for its use. Go to keyword planner to plan out what keywords you guys are going to use to make sure that you guys' SEO is going to be up to date, as well as traffic analyzer to see what's working, what's not. So the things that are not working, we can throw them away, and things that are working, we can double down on. And content audit, and it's kind of in the name, we can go ahead and plug in different types of content that we already have, and the system can go ahead and grade it for us. And the best part about it is everything when it comes to SEO keywords and how good different things are, already lives in the system, so it has a very good knowledge base on giving us suggestions. So if you guys got a blog or trying to push anything SEO related, Scalenut is going to be your best friend. Now let's go ahead and go through some pros and cons of the platform. Now, as you guys saw, the biggest pro is all the different things SEO related are going to be under one roof. So going back to our electric bike keyword right over here, we can easily create the new article that I was talking about. So we can easily select the article type here. So it can be listicle, general, beginner's guide, so on and so forth. So have a key terms list, anti-AI detection if needed, additional info. We can select the tone of voice, what kind of variants. So is it going to be American, British, images, and then from there, the system, like once we put in more information, it can do all the writing for us and make sure that it's going to be SEO friendly. So with pretty much anything written related, it's going to do a bang up job just because there's so much data in there when it comes to keywords. So it knows exactly what to write about and what to not. Now, some of the cons of the platform is the fact that it doesn't support video or visual content. And honestly, I don't blame them because that's not what they're marketing themselves as, right? They just want to do SEO thing really, really well. However, if you are looking for a platform that can do both SEO and video, it may not be the best fit. So bottom line, if you guys are looking to increase your guys' organic traffic through blog posts, SEO, website, or anything written related, Scalenut is going to be a no-brainer. And as I mentioned before, if you guys do want to try out the platform, it's pretty straightforward. All you guys got to do is just press sign up right over here, type in you guys' email and answer a couple basic questions. And then from there, you guys are going to have a free trial of the platform. Now moving to Creatify. Now let's go ahead and check out the other player in town, which is Creatify. Now this platform is going to be a completely different beast. So here's how it works. You guys can go ahead and upload you guys' content manually or get it from the internet through like a URL. So here's going to be an example that I'm going to use. It's going to be an electric bike. Go ahead and copy and paste it. This one looks pretty nice. So this is going to be the example that I'm going to use. And if we go to Creatify, it's going to do some magic. So if we press analyze URL, it's going to do its thing and it's actually going to make a video for us as we speak. And the coolest part about it is from there, we'll be able to select the actual tone and how it's going to sound. And from there, if we're not completely happy with it, we can go ahead and edit it. So now it's going to ahead and pull the information that's going to be on the web about it. So this is going to be the product description. And of course, you guys can change it if you'd like, as well as some of the assets. So some of the photos on the web and the brand name. Of course, you guys can change it as well. Let's press next. And from here, now we're going to tell the system exactly how we want the video to look like. So do we want it to be Facebook style, Insta, YouTube, just general? So what kind of aspect ratio, how long we want the video to be, what language, target audience. I'm going to say, urban commuters, electric bike enthusiasts, all sound good. Let's press next. And now it's going to make the video for us. So from here, we can actually also select the script based on what the actual actor is going to sound like. So it can be brand story, product highlights, problem solution, trending topics, kind of like what it's going to talk about. You guys can also upload your own. I'm just going to stick with brand story here. And you guys can actually also select the tone. So it can be engaging, Gen Z, motivational, commercial advertising, super casual, stuff like that. I'm Gen Z, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Boom, let's go ahead and press next. And you guys can also select the avatar. So who's going to be the person delivering the message here? So I'm going to go ahead and select this dude. He looks nice. There's actually multiple variations of him. Wow. There's going to be Oscar indoor, Oscar vehicle, Oscar car interior. I think Oscar car interior looks pretty legit. That makes it's believable. Alrighty. And as you guys see, 16 videos have been generated for us. Wow. And look, I get it. This may not be the exact final product you're looking for, but it's an amazing place to start. Because think about it. Before, you would have to pay individual actors, ship out your product, and now AI can do the whole thing for you. So check it out. Here's a video where she's talking about it. Again, it's not fully like synced up. You have to actually export the video and like render it in order for it to be fully synced up and sound natural. But you can check out all the different video types here, and he kind of talks about them. But if you guys are not like completely happy with the way it sounds, you can always go to editor. This is like a better version of iMovie. Really easy to use. You can go ahead and edit it, change out the music here, change out how long each clip is, and add different stuff you guys care about, like captions, assets, elements, text, music, whatever you guys want. The point I'm trying to make here is Scalenut was like a centralized place when it comes to SEO and anything written generated. This is going to be your guys' best friend for anything video related. And once you guys are ready, all you guys got to do is press render. It's going to go ahead and export the video, and you guys are going to be ready to go. And similar to Scalenut, if you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself, the link for it is going to be down below in the description. Press this link right over here and you guys will be able to generate a video completely for free. Now, when it comes to pros of the platform, as you guys saw, it's really easy to use. All you need is to upload your own assets or just get a link from the website and boom, it's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. And as I mentioned before, even though it may not be the exact final product you're looking for, it can be a really good foundation. And in addition to that, this can be an amazing place to A/B test because you guys can have different versions of the ad and see which one performs better versus not, and you can create them at scale. However, some of the cons are also going to be AI related. Even though they are making great strides in AI technology, you can still tell a difference when it's a real human and an AI generated machine. And if you're looking for something that's fairly tailored, there's going to be a lot of details in there, then it's maybe not the best solution for you. I'd say Creatify is going to be for those folks that are looking for something that's very fast, on the budget, it's going to do the job just right. But if you're looking for something that has like movie-like quality, right? I'm not sure it's there yet. But hey, this Terminator thing is just around the corner, so I'm kind of nervous. And there you guys have it. As you guys saw, both the platforms are really powerful in their own way. If you guys are looking to double down on your content strategy when it comes to writing, website, SEO, product descriptions, then Scalenut is going to be your best friend. Because look, it has everything A to Z that can help you with your guys' written content. It knows exactly what works and what doesn't, and it can guide you guys on your journey as you're publishing more and more content. However, if you guys are looking to create more visuals, publish them on social media, then Creatify is going to be a no-brainer. It can pump a ton of different ads really quick, and even though it may not be the exact final product you're looking for, it can give you a really solid foundation to start at and build upon. And UGC type videos have been popping off, so I'd for sure give both the platforms a try just because they both have that free trial associated with them. So if you guys do want to try out the platforms for yourself and take advantage of that free trial, check out the links down in the description below. And if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.